Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I figured I would put some drugstore makeup products, of course, like always. And I just kind of figured I would do a full face of makeup except for eyeshadow. So pretty much just kind of focusing on the base of the face and of course the lips. And I had a lot of fun not doing eyeshadow. Today was kind of different, but I really enjoyed not doing the eyeshadow steps, just to be honest with you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of pretty much me doing my full face except for eyeshadows. Be sure to give the video a huge thumbs up. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look right here, then of course, let's get started. Alright you guys, so starting off, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face using my Believe Beauty. It's going to be the Pretty and Prime Hydrating Primer. You guys already know you can get it at Dollar General. They do have different versions of this primer, but of course I have dry skin, so I do have the hydrating one. So just going to go ahead and prime my skin. Alright, and then for foundation, I'm just going to take my collab. It's going to be the Bright Spark Radiant Foundation in the color called Tawny number 9. You can get this at Sally's Beauty, but I do like this one because it's really good if you have dry skin. You guys know I love my foundations where it makes my skin look very radiant, glowy, hydrating. It's definitely my preference, so love this foundation. And since we're going with the no eyeshadow look, I figured I would just try to focus on the face in terms of just highlighting my features and making sure my skin looks really good. So I think my foundation might be almost finished. You guys, my skin has been going through it from wearing the mask at work. I do have to wear the mask at work, so it's definitely an adjustment wearing it for like 8+ hours, but of course you eventually kind of get used to it. But it is definitely hard because I have my days where I just want to snatch it off my face so bad. But you can definitely tell, like in this area, especially like right here, my skin is it's just acting a little bit crazy. So that's the downfall of having to wear the mask. Your skin goes crazy. Alright, for my concealer, I'm just going to take the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I have it in the color called Medium Dark 145 Warm. Just going to take it to conceal under my eyes. And I did go back and, went back to Ulta and I did change out my foundation shade. The one that I chose was Dark 175 Warm. So I'm hoping this is going to be my color. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that's going to be my correct color because I really enjoyed that foundation a lot. So probably going to try that tomorrow and see if that's my correct color or not. Alright, I'm going to throw it back to one of my old favorite products. It's going to be the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the color called Deep Golden. You guys know once I got my Black Radiance one, I have been using that product, of course, like non-stop for a while. So I kind of figured I would just kind of kick it back to my OG favorite finishing powder, which is this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it and set the rest of my face. moving back on into the face, we're going to go ahead and bronze up the face. I'm going to take my Ends Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. It's going to be the palette called Better Than Vacation Tan. You can get it at Ulta and also at Walmart. Told you guys, this little bronzer kit is really good, especially these two colors down here. If you are a woman of color, it's going to show up against your skin complexion, so definitely pick it up. I want to say it costs all of $10, so it's a really good buy. I like to mix both, and I think it's really pretty, so definitely check it out if you are around my complexion and a little bit deeper than me. Definitely check it out, and you have a nice mirror on top as well. So I'm going to take the Rimmel Maxi Blush Powder Blush in the color called Rendezvous and just apply it to my face. Alright, before I move on to highlighter, I do want to go ahead and do my lashes. I'm not going to do eyeshadow like I said, but I do want to still put on some false lashes to kind of like bring the look together, because I mean we do have a full face on. So I do have a different style. It's still going to be the Kiss Blowout Lash, but I have it in the one called Pageboy. They actually had this at TJ Maxx for all of $3.50, so I kind of figured since I like pompadour, I'll give this a try. This one isn't as full like pompadour, but it's still like long and wispy, so I figured, you know, let's give it a try. I'm still going to use my Kiss Lash Glue, which I have been loving. I have it in black. They also have it in clear if you don't want the black, but I just opted for black. It's just, I mean, it's just what I opted for. So I am going to apply the lashes, and I also picked up from TJ Maxx is going to be the 24-hour liquid eyeliner. Is going to be from the brand called IZME New York. It was only $2.99, but this is what it looked like, and I just pretty much take this and I go over the actual glue to kind of like clean up that line. So just going to do all of this off camera, and then we'll just kind of finish off the face. Alright, so I actually do like these lashes. Like, they're so cute. Like, they're really like nice and long and wispy. So I wanted to touch base with you guys back on the actual Kiss Lash Glue. So I told you guys in the last video that I really enjoyed this lash glue, and I really do. I noticed on the Kiss websites in the comment section, people were saying that they was having a hard time like getting the lashes off. And I didn't have that problem, because if you guys watched in the video, I applied like the thinnest of the thinnest line possible, so it was super easy for me to like just pop them on and pop them off, so I didn't have a hard time taking off the lash glue. However, today I applied it really thick, like really thick, because I really wanted to see if it's really hard to come off or not. So if you're wondering why it's so like thick as far as the liner, it's because I actually made it that way on purpose, because I was really trying to see what people was talking about in terms of being hard to, you know, take off. So that's why it's really thick. So I just kind of feel like if you apply the bare minimum like I did, it was super easy to just take it off and put it on. So I just wanted to do it thick and just kind of see if it's still easy to come off, or if I'm going to have a hard time taking it off with it being a really thick line. And I'm just taking my my Essence Lash Princess just to do my bottom lashes. I'm just going to let that dry, and I'll clean up down there afterwards. For my highlighter, I do have the e.l.f. It's going to be the Glow Gleam Beam Highlight in Palette, the one called Looks to Try. And I'm going to take the color, let's see, I think I'm going to take the color called Shimmer. It's going to be this one right over here in the corner. and just highlight my face. I'm gonna do like a little bit because I don't want it to be too extreme. So yeah, just gonna apply that to my face. Alright you guys, and for my lips, I'm going to take the Maybelline. It's going to be the Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the color called 120 Rich Chocolate, which looks like this. Just going to take it and line my lips. Alright, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit in the color called Satin Sheets. It's going to be their metallic lipstick, which looks like this. Just going to apply it to the center of my lips. Ooh, that's more pigmented than I thought. Alright you guys, this is pretty much going to be the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's really chill, relaxed video where I did a full face just doing pretty much like my base and no eyeshadow products. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.